Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Adora Lyric if you guys are new here. I'm about to go to the store, Walmart exactly, and I'm gonna be vlogging this store run, I guess you can call it. So I wanted to let y'all know that before I got out the door. Tristan and Mariah are joining us. So we're about to go to the store. I have a list of things that I want to get, and then I'm gonna come back, wash my hair. So I'll show you guys all of that. I think I'm gonna do a wash and go again, which is what I did this week. My hair is like still pretty like defined, I would say, but I have like some buildup in the front of my hair from my edge control. So anyway, I'm about to do that, but I just wanted to give y'all a heads up on what we were doing before I started. So I hope that you guys enjoy a vlog this weekend instead of an actual hair video, but I got the video coming next week for that. So yeah, let's go. All right, y'all, we're going. So many people here. We're turning this. Y'all, how y'all doing? We in Walmart. Trying to find how y'all doing. Mark, can you put, never mind. We can come back as a unit. Oh God. Girl, they tried to take me down this aisle. I try to go, then boom, they won't go the other way. We need some magic erasers, but I don't need to get, what's that for the my stands and things in the living room? Are these only for? No matter what you do. I don't think you need all of these, but I'm gonna get some. All of these magic erasers. So I'm getting trash bags. I have like a list of stuff. Also need to bring from the back, but we haven't went to customer service yet, so I'll probably do that before I check out. Thank you, Trivy. Sorry, season. Oh, here we go, Che. I can get these. Like $6, I think. Oh, my bad. Mar, you know why I say that? My bag. She said my bag because my mom be saying that. She trying to say my bag because she thought we were saying my bag. And even y'all need a new mask. I hate this. What's the flex? So many options for trash bags, y'all. Huh? Let's get the flex, y'all. Citrus. I feel like citrus is good for trash.
Yeah, because why would you put the trash on it? Just say 40.
Y'all got me pushing stuff like I want to. Alright, body wash is what I need, y'all. What y'all need? Y'all, now we're getting toothpaste, and I'm looking for the kind that I get. I have two types. I'm gonna get this one. This kind, I think. Yeah. I'm also looking for whitening strips. What else did I say, Trivy? I don't know, maybe. Get these to whiten my teeth. I don't know. Every time I put it in my cart, I put it back. What? Oh, you need it though.
Shut up.
Oh, these are cute. I'm gonna put my aloe vera juice in this little spray bottle. I need some more of my bubble bath. I'm gonna do relax and relief. Okay, and I'm gonna get, I only have this one, which is a smaller one. So I think I'll do this one. I have this one at home, it's almost gone. And then this one I never tried. I'll probably just get a small thing of this and call it a day. Cause I got tired of them. I want some short ones. But I don't think I like any of these ones. Oh, Mar, they got feet ones. They got some for your feet.
Like birds when you get them all.
I don't see none, y'all. That's dumb.
People been buying them in.
I think I am done. And I think we're about to leave. So many people in here, just annoying, but whatever. I need to get something for my feet. What y'all put on y'all feet? My feet be dry.
You better get a pet egg.
Girl, I need.
thought about it, but I don't know which one is a good one to get.
Do it, bro.
They got, I don't know, that's what I'm saying. They got one that's like $10 and they got one that's like $20.
Oh, okay. We're in like the garden center, home and garden. Mari's looking for something. It's peaceful out here. I took my mask off for a little break, y'all. Just what we getting. Let the people know. What we gonna hang it on? Because I don't think there's like a thing to hang. And how often do you order them?
You gotta look it up, I guess.
Yeah, I don't got no green thumb. Mara swears she know anything about gardening. She don't. Y'all know anything about gardening? Let us know. Y'all can take y'all mask off. Y'all can take a little break if y'all want it.
Take a break.
From your mask. Okay, sis. My bag.
I said no because, you know, I got bad sinuses and allergies. You had me out here looking like I got punched in the throat.
What kind of
I can't find the potting mix.
what are you looking for?
It's called potting mix. I don't know the brand. Let me see.
Potting mitt?
Potting mix.
Mix. It's probably inside.
I see. This is potting mix, but that's too big. You gotta probably look for it that way, maybe.
Or isn't that it?
Yeah.
Isn't it just soil? No.
Yeah, that's not the brand I'm looking for though.
This is a particular brand.
Yeah. Everybody kept bringing that up for peace lilies.
Is that what you got? Oh. Okay. Maybe we can ask somebody.
Yeah.
You better ask somebody.
But of course, like that color. What kind of plant is that?
I don't say. You gotta water this one every day. And you put fertilizer in it.
Come on, I'm not ready yet.
Me either. Don't know nothing about it. I feel like they can be a waste of money if you know, obviously aren't gonna take care of it.
Right, and really take it serious.
Hey y'all, so sorry. I'm back home. I'm actually eating some noodles because Trey, pack your hungry self up. What is this? I'm hungry. I haven't eaten all day, but it's almost like dinner time, but I'm still hungry, so I was like, I'm just gonna eat some noodles. And this is the beef flavor. I really like beef. Like, I know chicken is the bomb, but I like beef too. I actually rather go for beef nowadays, even though I know beef is slept on and so underrated. But I literally would rather have beef on it. I ended up putting soy sauce in here because Tristan does that. She says it's really good. I know she does like hot sauce too. But it's actually good with soy sauce. I think that's how like real ramen restaurants are, I think. But I normally just put pepper in it. But anyway, it's getting pretty late, y'all. I'm supposed to wash my hair. I don't know if I really will. I got Dream a new harness. And it's still too big. If anyone can relate, let me know in the comments, because he's not, like, he's a little too big for a small, but he's too small for medium. So like, I have his harness that he's been using for so long, but stop. Now he's trying to take it off, y'all. Show the people what you got on. Come here, dude. Show them what you got. Come here. So this is the harness I just got him, and it has like the chest part. Come here. He's so lazy. And there's like the chest part, but it's like a little too big right here. So I just got it at Walmart. It was like $10. I normally get them from Marshall's, but obviously Marshall's is closed. But normally their harnesses are a lot better for him. Probably will have to exchange this one. This sucks because I literally go through so many different harnesses for him because they either get old, he bites them, or they're just too big, and I keep like taking my chances and obsessing over buying them. And I know Amazon is out there, but it's also like better for me to feel to see how like big it'll be on him. And then he goes to get groomed on Tuesday, which means that he's not gonna have as much hair on his body, and therefore that's gonna be way too big for him. So I'm gonna have to exchange that. So annoying. But yeah, after this I'll probably just go ahead and wash my hair to get it over with. I feel like I've been doing too much today and yesterday that I feel like I need to chill out, but then I need my hair washed. Well, I'll probably wash my hair, and then I'm gonna do a wash and go, and then call it a night. But I wish it was just that simple. It's gonna take me a while. I'm calling these noodles up. Y'all eat noodles? Y'all call them ramen, oodles and noodles, or noodles? I've always called them oodles and noodles, or noodles, never ramen. And I wash my hair in the sink, and then I also wash my hair in the shower, which is really why I don't feel like washing my hair, because I like to apply leave-in while I'm in the shower so that it can get all the moisture in. But I've already taken a shower today, so I hate doing it out of order like that. I have to bite the bullet and do it anyway, even though I don't want to. So I'm gonna go do that, and maybe I should just twist my hair this time. I don't really know. I'm not doing no mini twist. That's completely out. Oh, he has this toy that he loves today, and he almost bites me every time. Whew. And then I feel bad when he falls, but he's so rough. Look at him. Just after anything. We can do this for hours and he still will want more. See what I mean? But alright, y'all, so let me go. I'm gonna finish playing with Dream for a little bit, and then I'm gonna go wash my hair. So I will see y'all when we get to that Dream. See what I mean? Hours. Okay, it's been like a minute. Let it go. Dream. See? Hey, so I actually didn't do my hair, y'all, because it's too late and I don't feel like doing my hair. So I've never done this before, but I just cut my hair. I sectioned them off into like 4 sections, and I just put this bonnet on top because I want my hair to still stay wet. So my plan is if I can wake up in the morning and have enough time to, I have a lot of plans for tomorrow. I want to go get a car wash, do my hair all before 10 o'clock, girl, and get dressed and all of that. I don't think that's gonna happen, but we gonna see. Before I go to sleep, I'm probably going to try to read a little bit more if I can. If not, then it's okay. I'll try and pick it up again tomorrow. Feeling pretty good. I feel like a little weird. Like I feel really emotional tonight I should say. So I feel like I have a lot that's on my mind. So anyway, I'm just gonna end the vlog here because I'm not doing anything else. I'm going to sleep, and yeah, so I pray that you guys have a good week. By the time you see this, it'll be Friday, so I pray that you have a good weekend, and I pray that, you know, everything works out for you. Whatever goals that you have for this week, I hope that you can accomplish them. And yeah, so I will see you guys all on my next video. I don't know if it'll be a vlog or some sort of like content plan video, probably that. But otherwise, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm sorry this was probably like a little boring, but I hope that it gives you guys a break from like my normal natural hair content. So yeah, so I pray that you guys have a good week. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video.